Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about American Airlines stock action, and what you can see here that the stock is indeed trending inside a consolidation range, or it has created a range which is consolidating in between. On the downside we have around 12.71, and on the upside we have 14.23. okay, so there are some multiple support and resistance in between. You'll find it here like this, okay, and here on the downside as well you'll find it somewhat like this. Okay, so this is your trend. Okay, so what we have right now is, first understand this, the consolidation range. I have added two more extra lines, one on the upside and one on the downside. So your current range, on the downside you have a support in between 12.85 to 12.73. These are your support levels on the downside for the time being, and on the upside you have 14.26. so this is the range inside which the stock is trading right now. So you have to consider this range first. Okay, so if the stock hits the level which is in between 12.585 to 73, so it can be considered as a good support, because the stock is trading inside the range, and the upper end of the range will be in between 13.8 to 14.26. but if it falls below 12.73, then we have 12.11 and 11.48 on the downside. Similarly, on the upper side, if the stock brokens above 14.26, then we have 15.07 on the upside. So this is what you need to look and taken care of. So let me tell you about two more support resistance level of the target levels. So on the upside you have 13.85, then you have 14, and then 14.26 in the range. Okay, and if you want to consider a further more skewed range, so you have 13.48, which can also be considered as your resistance of the target level. So on the downside you have this 12.85 and 12.73. on the upside, because you can see the consolidation range is very skewed, on the upside you have 13.48, then 85 and 14, and you have 14.26. but if the stock moves beyond this range, either on the upside or on the downside, so on the upside you have 15.07, and on the downside you have two subsequent targets, so 12.11 and 11.48. but take risk as your first criteria and plan accordingly, and place your stop losses, and better be a very disciplined person before taking a trend and after as well. But you have to plan your trend, your entry, exit, your stop loss accordingly, and don't mix your emotions with money. So that's the biggest thing which you need to know and you need to follow. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.